Hello, this is Lin. Today I'm gonna introduce you a HYUNDAI 220 HD excavator. As you can see, not only the outside of the machine has been refreshed, but also the inside has been cleaned up and maintained. The engine is like the heart of the machine. Let's start it and see how it performs. Besides checking and fixing all the main parts, we also replace the old ones with new parts. Even the pipe is new. After our remanufacturing process, the machine now runs great without any potential risk. If you are interested, please contact me.